What's up, dude? Coach got me out on a Sunday afternoon, man.
We're gonna go pick up a donor chassis.
It's time to go to Philly.
Let's go.
It's your boy Easy Glaze. I'm with Coach. What's up, dude?
Yo.
Oh, here we got.
Oh yeah, we got a whole truck. We're gonna need all the reinforcements.
We got the whole crew. What are we picking up today, Coach?
We are picking up a 2005 Mazda RX-8.
Okay.
Now, the RX-8 was a pretty failed platform due to emissions regulations and all kinds of other stuff that just killed the 13B.
Right.
However, the RX-8 and the Mazda Miata NC share the same, although different motor mounts, subframe geometry, which means it's sturdy, it's nimble, and it's very useful.
Okay. So we're gonna use this, of course, this is for the project that we got the other night, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're heading to Philly.
All right, so we made the drive. I guess this is North Philly, right? I would say Northeast Philly to come pick up this RX-8 shell for the MG project. But while we're here picking up the RX-8 shell, I caught the glimpse of this FD sticking out of the garage. So I wanted to talk to the man and see what he's got going on, because this thing is gorgeous.
Yeah.
You want to give him a rundown just real quick of some basic mods? I can't say basic mods, because I'm sure it's not too basic.
Yeah, well, this was like automatic when I got it.
Okay.
And then the whole thing was gutted and painted, and all the bushings, seals was replaced, and then engine was pulled out, rebuilt, and that was a single turbo.
Oh, so it's got a single turbo.
Yeah. Like
wow.
800 primary, 1600 secondary.
Oh, so it's got some big injectors
Yeah,
too.
big injectors and standalone ECU force.
Oh, so Apex
C. Well, Apex C.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of old, but like
Yeah, but I feel like the Apex C has been the standard in RX-7 tuning for years.
Yeah, for years.
Because it's good.
Yeah, but
it's
now
solid.
they use like hot tag and tag and stuff. Yeah.
So it's rare to see one that's not really on the Haltech or the Motec ECUs now. I feel like FC.
Most FC you see now they use the hot tag, Microtech, and not sure what else.
Okay.
Yeah.
What size turbo is that?
Oh, it's T3. It's not too big.
So it's just a mild built turbo.
Mild built. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Any dyno numbers on the car?
No, not really. It's like 460.
Oh, so this will last forever in its current form. You're not going to be on the side of the road like every other RX-7.
No. I'm not going out there for like doing donuts and stuff like that. Just like for daily, well, not daily, like cruising. And
right. Adult
hobby.
Adult driven. Perfect.
Yeah. It's not meant for like like I use my RX-8 for track.
Okay.
That's it. This one is not. It's not for track. Just, you take part of it.
Well, excellent. Well, thank you for everything. I appreciate it, man. It's always great to meet an enthusiast, especially when you're buying parts and trading parts and all that stuff. Sometimes you buy parts and it's not from an enthusiast, and it can be even worse. It's terrible.
Yeah. Yep, I would say a good deal. Good deal.
Yeah, it's good to meet you guys too. Like,
yes, you as well, man, for sure.
Do you mind if I just wrap around? Okay.
Feel free, man. Yeah. That's a good line. My parts, right?
It's okay.
It's all of us, man. I got parts everywhere.
This is pretty much behind the scenes. Day in the life of a real mechanic, huh?
It's like an ongoing project. It's never finished, man. Never done. It's always like here and there.
Yep. And as soon as you finish one part, you go, oh man, here's my next plan. This is what I'm gonna do after that's done.
Exactly. I got one last question. So do you have any new modifications coming up with this, or?
Actually, I'm gonna replace the horn with the RX-8.
Oh, okay.
This beep was like too weak.
We just talking about your truck. I said it's too weak. You need a horn in there.
Yeah. It was good.
Okay.
Yeah. That's my next, list.
Nice.
Then the hood prop, it was missing, so I bought a titanium one.
Okay.
I was gonna put it in, so that's my two little, next mod. So.
The little things that make life owning a car like this much easier.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Yeah. I used my like metal rod and stuff like that. Oh, I thought the board was open. You can like go over there like up to it and then show you the end. I got a good
Oh man, the polished SSRs look so good on this car.
oh yeah.
Oh, we got to look at the engine. Nice.
Well, yeah, it's inevitable. I feel if you're driving the car and enjoying it, you're gonna have scratches. Oh, the Mischief Boys. Old Justin and Dotto, or Dustin and Dotto.
Yeah, there's the trouble right there.
Wow, the tangerine manifold and piping looks good.
Like I said, it's like non-stop ongoing project, but right now it runs good. 3,000 miles on that we built.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you run premix in it, or is it just regular?
Yes.
You do run premix? Okay.
Yes. It's like 1 ounce per gallon. That's for my.
For the people that don't know,
Yep.
if you own an RX-7, especially if you're running a single turbo and making more power, premix is critical. It allows you to control the amount of oil that's going through and lubricating parts that need to be lubricated properly.
Yeah, there you go. You know, rotary guys.
Listen, man, I like I said, I've been flipping a wrench for almost 25 years, and I've kind of encountered it all. And I feel like my form of autism, if I was to have it, is probably cars, for sure.
All right, good stuff.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Listen, some people don't even want to let you like look at their car. You know,
okay. It's not like a mystery, you know.
No, this thing is sweet.
Yeah.
I'm glad somebody has like a like a boy in luck kind of, you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, we appreciate your time. We won't hold you up any longer.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, this thing is
Sweet. Yeah. Okay.
all right.
Perfect. No? I'll give you a hand. Trailer lights work now.
No, right?
Yeah, send me your the channel. I'll check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's new. Only one video up that we did like last year.
Yeah.
So we just started. We're gonna start now being consistent. Yeah.
Never too late to start. As long as
Well,
you
he had the project that's gonna give us a lot of content now. So
definitely. You just pick up the
that helps.
yeah.
Come on.
It help? That's gotta I'm gonna go back in, right?
All right.
There we go.
Thank you very much for everything, man. I appreciate it.
We have it in our memories.
Wrong way down an on ramp.
Is that what this is?
Yeah, this is a southbound on ramp from I believe Franklin or Cotman Ave in Philly. We're going the wrong way because traffic is atrocious.
In the ghetto.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, we're in Tacony. Tacony.
Oh, okay. I
We're back
mean,
in the right way now.
All right, we're not breaking the laws now.
this was some real city shit that we just did right now.
All right, onto New State Road.
Nice.
Okay, glad we did that.
Are we gonna pass the Phillies?
Yep.
You're right.
All right, we made it back. It's time to unload this baby. I'm starting up video. All right, I'm here. You inside? Yeah. While you're in it? Yeah. You're not afraid of it rolling back too much?
Not a brake work.
Let me know. You ready? More? Put that on video too, I think.
Huh? That was pretty painless.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah. It's super light. It's just a little single cam 4-cylinder with 2 carbs.